For a moment there, I thought, what about if he hits the leg in the center?
Oh no, we thought about this.
Yeah, but okay, we have a hole.
We have a hole.
It's alive, and it actually fits.
Yep.
Okay, one more.
Hole number 2. Run them out. Čakaj, máš to rupa. Ne, daj si nešto da budu. Dajte. Parik novo sуда.
I think it should be done in another way, guys. Like, there should be a way of doing this. Hey, what if you... No, get rid, like, rip it off and push it from the side, like from here. Just push it. Yeah, but still it's on, like, на винтер. Все се завитва. Така че трябва да се върти. Махаш бургията и буташ отзад с нея. Човек. Успех иначе. Stana? Yeah, but I think there's another woman. Like, there should be a way, like, getting no. Like, till there is this thing. So just pushing it might not work. Yeah.
I see what you're saying because of the screw.
Yeah, exactly.
But it'll be easier than the other stuff.
Yeah, hey, can I ask you? Yeah, I have, like, in a second. Шкафчето. In fact, why is it marked here and he did it here?
Because we did it, that was not on every third.
Okay. I'm telling you, it should be the other way, man. It doesn't get off.
Do you feel it moving?
Yeah, see this is
Nice.
Oh, okay, nice. Why don't you power it off? Just in case.
Yep.
4 wheelers not fit yet. The only way, man, like, I'm pretty sure. We made a table just to tear it apart.
Let's see how this fits in now.
Perfectly, we tried it.
It's perfect, but we need to put tape around it to make it like, feel like a very nice display.
Yeah, not to move.
What is this? Yeah, it is funny. There you go.
Hooray!
So it's just at the beginning is a bit...
Yeah. It's a very tight fit.
Well, we have like 3 more only.
Не, това не може да свали тази чашка.
Еми, аз това казвам, човек.
Еми да.
Това трябва да е.
Еми, много хубаво за тега да вземам, че не искам после нямам инструмент да затегна.
Тя трябва на ръка се затяга.
Еми, да.
Еми, да, но да затегна.
Я дай едно тиксове.
Има в шкаф.
Синето такова.
Ага.
Wow! That is a fat table, man.
Yeah. How is that wood? Where is it coming from?
Because when the wood burns, it like
Expands maybe.
yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that.
That should be used for something.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
Wheel.
We can make a little car, like we'll have 4 of them
Yeah.
with the same size.
Yeah. Set it on promise.
Yeah.
Party. I knew, like, I felt it, then I was like, careful, careful.